How to remove your YouTube on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove your YouTube on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and click these three lines here in the top corner and then click on your profile to see your profile and then click edit profile here, this one, and go down and here you will find edit, click on it. And here you will find the YouTube account. Just click remove and then save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.